In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate the process of booking your travel needs using Expedia. Whether you're planning a quick weekend getaway or organizing a grand vacation, knowing how to efficiently book your travel can save you time and effortlessly enhance your experience. Let's dive right in and explore the steps to make your bookings with ease and confidence. First things first, you'll want to get started by visiting Expedia's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Expedia URL, or just search for Expedia through any search engine to find the site. Once you land on the homepage, you'll notice it's designed to be user-friendly and offers a variety of options to begin building your travel itinerary. Now that you're on the site, it's time to move on and make your desired booking, whether it's a hotel stay, a flight, a rental car, or even an all-inclusive vacation package. The choice is yours. On the homepage, you will see several tabs at the top representing these options. Clicking on one of these tabs will open up the search tool related to your choice. Here you can enter your travel details such as destination, dates, and the number of travelers. Once you've filled in your information, hit the search button to have Expedia show you a list of options that match your criteria. Take your time to browse through and choose the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Each option will have detailed descriptions and customer reviews, which can help you make an informed decision. After making a selection, you'll be guided through the booking process, reviewing the details to ensure everything is just right. Now let's talk about payment. When you reach the checkout page, you'll need to enter your payment details. If you're using a Venture card or any other card, you'll find a section labeled Payment Details. Here, you'll see an option to add a new card. Click on New Card and enter your card information. Make sure to double-check your details for accuracy to avoid any hiccups later on. And just like that, you're almost done. After entering your payment details, there's one final step. Take a moment to review your entire booking to ensure all details are correct. This confirms that your travel arrangements align perfectly with your plans and expectations. Once everything looks spot on, go ahead and click Confirm. You'll receive a confirmation email from Expedia outlining your booking details, which you should keep handy for your trip. This email will serve as your ticket and accommodations reference. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the booking process on Expedia. I hope this guide makes your next adventure an enjoyable and stress-free experience. Thanks for tuning in and safe travels.